Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Aditi, and if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. So in today's video I am going to be creating this makeup look right here. It is going to be a step-by-step tutorial, so if you're interested to know how I got this makeup look, then please keep on watching. So I'm going to start by prepping my skin using this Lakme moisturizer. Before starting your makeup, it is very important to moisturize your face so that it creates a layer between the products that you're going to use and your skin. Gently apply it all over your face. It is very important to keep your skin hydrated before you start with your makeup. Now next step is to use a primer. I'm going to use this Blue Heaven primer. This is the most affordable primer you will find in India. It retails for only 300 rupees and it comes with a silicone based formula. So we use a primer to fill in the open pores in our skin, and it also gives us a smooth finish. The right way to apply the primer is to push it into our skin and the T-zone where we usually sweat a lot. So the next step is a foundation. I'm using this Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 115. I'm going to make dots and apply it all over my face. Now to blend this foundation, we use a beauty blender. You can also use your hands or a brush to blend the foundation, but I personally prefer the blender because it lets the foundation blend in the skin perfectly, making it look very natural. Take enough time while blending if you don't want to make your foundation look very cakey and give it a skin finish look. Next step is the concealer. Here I am using my LA Girl Pro concealer. So the way of applying concealer is going to be a little different in this video. Just apply it on the inner corners of your eyes and the outer corner. So the people who don't have a lot of dark circles can use this method, and also after blending you will notice that using this method gives your face a much lifted look. So I highly recommend you having this concealer because it is a full coverage one and it also comes with an affordable price range. Now use a blender and start blending the product. So the people who have a lot of dark circles, I recommend you all to use an orange color corrector before applying your concealer. So the orange corrector will even out the color which is under your eyes and it will give your concealer a much better finish. So as you can see, my base for the makeup is completely ready now. Next step is to use a compact to set your face. I am using the Lakme SPF 40 compact, and using the applicator given, I will just push the powder into the skin. I will do it under my eyes first so that the creasing does not happen. Also apply enough compact on your T-zone to avoid it from sweating. Next step is the eyebrows. I am using this eyebrow pencil by Miss Claire. One side comes with a spoolie and the other side is used for filling. Now first I am going to start brushing my eyebrows upwards. Now that they are brushed properly, we will start filling the eyebrows. After filling the eyebrows, I will brush them again to give them proper shape. So the eyebrows are done now. Now for my eyes, I'm going to use this eyeshadow palette by Wet n Wild. It is in the shade Rose in the Air. And I will apply it using this Deborah eyeshadow brush. Use a transition shade on the crease. Remove excess product. Apply the eyeshadow on the outer corner of your eyes and blend it using circular and wiper motion. Follow the same procedure on the other eye. This is a beautiful warm undertone transition shade and I love this palette because it is highly pigmented. Now I will use this darker color and place it on the outer corner of my eye. Now for the lid, I'm going to use this gold shimmer eyeshadow and using my ring finger I will apply it. Using a flat brush, I will use the same transition shade and apply it on my lower lash line. Next step is to use an eyelash curler. Lift your chin before curling your eyelashes. You can already see the difference between the two now. Curling your eyelashes makes your mascara look even more better. Next, I'm going to use this Maybelline Colossal Mascara and start coating my eyelashes. Always build your mascara by at least applying 2 to 3 coats. So my eyelashes look more lifted and fuller now. Apply it on your lower lashes as well. Now I'm going to use the same warm brown shade as my bronzer and using this fluffy brush I will start bronzing my face to give it some definition. So people who don't like heavy contouring on their face can use bronzers. It is a great way to make your skin look more radiant and healthy. Do it on your cheekbones, jawline and your forehead. Next step is the blush. Now I'm using this one by Wet n Wild. It is in the shade Apricot in the middle, and using this fluffy brush I will take the product and start applying on the apple of my cheeks. Remove excess product also. So the best way to apply a blush is to take it towards your temples so that your face gets a more lifted look and it enhances your cheekbones. I also apply a little on my nose. Now for my lips I'm going to use this lip creme by Miss Claire. It is in the shade 02. It is the perfect nude for all skin tones. So while applying this lipstick, I slightly overline my lips to give it more enhanced look, and also first before putting your lipstick, always make sure you line your lips first and then fill in. So this is the final result. I hope you all enjoyed watching this makeup tutorial. If you have any queries or suggestions, let me know in the comment section down below, and see you all next time. Thank you.